So when you're looking to lift up a vehicle to get the clearance you want for that bigger wheel and tire reach you've always wanted, well, this is what you get. It's kind of a bare bones kit, so to speak. So this guy wants 37s, and to clear those 37s, he's got to have a 2.5-inch lift on this Jeep. So you're looking at basically a set of taller springs, a little bit longer shocks, and then you've got maybe a puck system, a bump stop, and that's really about it. Now, the truth of the matter is that'll physically give you the clearance you need for the bigger wheel and tire. But doing so, you're going to sacrifice a ton in terms of drivability, steering, overall ride comfort. And when you talk about a Jeep to begin with, they're not great when you get them from the factory to begin with.
So here's one of the problems with that. If you're raising it up and you're putting heavier wheels and tires on all this, that, the other, and you're changing the geometry and you're not fixing that, now your steering is going to take a beating. And on that steering box, that thing is just going to get loose and looser over time.
Right.
Now, this is the whole RÖMH system from Steer Smarts, and it's an entire chassis system. So not only all that, but all this as well. And this is where it started for us, again, a couple episodes ago. You've got that where the pitman arm comes in to the steering box right there. The sector shaft goes down. And what this kit does is it ties in at the bottom, and then that just makes a rock-solid connection. So Steer Smarts, they fixed that problem.
Right. It gets rid of all that deflection you've got with that steering, with the longer arms and everything. It really makes you feel like you've got a solid steering again. It gets rid of the sloppiness.
So they fixed that, and then they went 10 steps further with the rest of this whole chassis system. And this is designed to not only, a lot of systems will say we want to maintain that factory ride quality. This actually improves the factory ride quality while going up on the air and operating on a larger tire. So that's what it's all about with this. And you can see, we've got geometry correction. Just everything is just there.
Well, and the thing is like this entire system was built, from top down. So you get everything you want in one big SKU, right? Well, let's just say your budget doesn't quite allow for that. You can piecemeal it together and build it up over the course of time as your budget allows to end up with the same result.
Okay, so what we need to do is go ahead and get started on the front end. I got you, bro. It's not going anywhere.
That's kind of fast.
Come on, man.
So now it's time to do a little bit of assembly with some of the components here. We've got the drag link, the tie rod, and the track bar. And basically, what's nice is the fact that, first of all, the coatings that are done from the guys at Steer Smart, they do an e-coating like you would get in production, right? So what that does is it coats kind of from the inside out. But what they do then is do a dual coating where they actually mask off of the threads and then powder coat the back side of the parts. That's where you get the red for on here and the black on the back side. So this way, it is dual covered. It means you can have less chance of getting corrosion. Now, when it comes to assembling these, one side is going to be clockwise, the other is going to be counterclockwise. Just make sure you use a little bit of anti-seize on it, because a little bit goes a long way when you assemble the two together. The other thing to keep in mind, too, which is really nice, is the fact that these are actually undersized a little bit to compensate for that coating. So this way, when you go to put it together, it's not going to bind and gall up or chip, and it'll go in nice and smooth. Sweet. Ready to go up, son?
Yeah.
Winning.
Like a workout.
Hey, welcome back to Truck U. We're continuing our chassis system on this 2026 JL. Now, a lot of the work up front has been done. Focus now is on the back, and thankfully it's a lot easier back here than up front.
Yeah, pretty much back here we've got springs, shocks, we've got a new sway bar, new heavy-duty crossbar, and that's about it back here, right? There's gonna be a lot less work than the front, which is cool. But you know what another cool thing is about this system are these bolts right here. These are magni-coated, and what that means to you and me is that these are OE-style bolts, and that's just another thing that makes this whole system so unique.
We talked about the front being a lot of work, right? And if it's something that you're not comfortable with doing personally, what you can do is you go on the website, and they've got a list of different installers that can do the work for you and make sure it's done right.
Did you get a copy of that list, Russ?
I did. Next time, I think we need to just make a phone call.
Fair enough. Pen tight.